Okay, so I logged into that IT Amazon Web search Amazon Web Service Lab apps icon, and I got to this screen. I was told you go to add license, and yours, you said works now. That's good. And then for templates, choose template. We're using the one called construction documentation feet and inches, but you can't see the start button because it's way down off the screen. If you go to the expand your screen button, let it load, let it resize, then it should be here. If you scroll way down to the bottom, you won't see it. You gotta scroll the whole screen down to the bottom to see the start using button here. And if you have an error, don't worry about it. Let it bypass that, let it do its thing, let it go. Because now we're in. To get back, see up here this little handle there, that little arrow, hover, and I'm off camera, but over here, try it again, hover, I can go back to compress the screen mode, and it resizes for drawing. But I was told these have to go to, can I get out there again? Try here. Yes, I can. Welcome to, I'm back out. So it's always going to be blocked. You choose your template, pick the one you want. You have to kind of expand the screen, let it do its thing, and hoping you can get below all this stuff way at the bottom to find that button. If that works, let me know. If not, let me know either way.